Okay, got a piece of the big and ill jet, folks. Jeff and Pisa. Sorry about the kids in the background, folks. No idea what to complain now. Mark, thank you very much, mate. And here is your jet now. Another Global Express by the sounds of it. Is that a Global Express? Another Global 600? It's Global 600, isn't it? 'Cause that's a very big old jet. Yeah, Global 600, another one there, folks. Bombardier Global 600 again. How many more aircraft are there with the Global 600s? I don't know if that's a Global 600, is it? Is it a Global 600 unit? I don't know. Ah, right, okay, so we're on Virgin Atlantic to Singapore. How cool would that be? 1830. Okay. I can hear a microlight somewhere, folks. I can hear something. I don't know if he's over the top of me or not.